name is Joseph Levin from Highbridge, New Jersey. This is my final project for the CS50P course, the High Entropy Password Generator, which is a tool that generates passwords that are potentially easy for a person to remember, but harder for a computer to use brute force attacks to crack with. The project is inspired by this XKCD password strength comic, which basically says that we've been trained to use passwords that seem like they would be hard for a computer to break, but they are actually relatively easy. Whereas we could have better results if we simply made longer passwords with words that we would remember, sort of like mnemonics. So my program will generate these high entropy passwords, and here's the syntax for them, using the program rather. Generated via argparse. In its simplest form, the program will generate one password of 2 words in length, separated by the default dash separator. If I wanted to increase the number of words, I can use this command. And if I wanted to increase the number of passwords generated, I would use this command. The program will also allow saving of the output to a CSV file, and here's how that works. And you can see that the data in the screen output and the CSV output are the same. Using all options, we can customize the kind of data that we get out of the program. And as you can see, the output in the second CSV file is the same as on the screen. Now, one of the nice things that I felt to be very important with this software is that it saves the information to the clipboard. And I'm going to go to an empty file, and if I hit Control V, it pastes the information there. Now I can either save the file or put it in some other program and use it as I see fit. The kinds of things that you can adjust are the separator, whether to have the first letter of the entire password capitalized. You can add an opinionated 1 exclamation underscore to the password, as well as a suffix.